Trophy presenters are ready. Sakona's back. So presenters, let's take that 5th place medal to Dominic Jones. Fourth place, give it up for Roy Critchfield. Starting to get tough right here. 3rd place goes to Leo Sosa. That's the bronze medal. Silver medal, take that too, Sakona Tofa. Your gold medal winner in Professional Men's Bodybuilding Masters Division at the National Olympia. Give it up for Meetei.
We have 5 in this category, so 3rd place will receive a $200 cash prize, 2nd place will receive a $300 cash prize, and 1st place gold medal winner will receive a $500 cash prize, along with all the other goodies that were awarded. And we're going to play the national anthem for Taiwan. No, which one do you want? Yeah. Let's do some posing, gentlemen. Front double biceps. Congratulations. All 5, top 5. Gentlemen, your favorite pose, as long as it's a front pose, your favorite pose. Everything nice and tight. Beautiful, gentlemen. Thank you and congratulations. You may file off, stage left. Mike's going to take us into the Professional Men's Bodybuilding Grandmasters 50+.